turn fail.
No one flat out declared that RAC had veto power over the deal. This was,
and a dual turn.
Enron's control. The implication was clear. If I thought a deal was too risky, Enron wouldn't do it. Thanks
That
to
was
RAC,
weird.
Enron.
That was red light run. Oh, jeez. And you didn't even stop.
And he bragged constantly about the sophisticated oversight that RAC provided, which he portrayed as sacred.
Did not stop.
Only two things at Enron are not subject to negotiation. Wall Street was asked. We rely heavily on Enron's risk management ability.
Did not stop.
In the United States of America, and I think that's a very important point.
And very briefly, Diane, what are you watching as this next COVID relief package?
You didn't even stop.
Congress?
An era in which there was a complete suspension of healthy skepticism and disbelief.
Whoa!
Brand new dot-coms, companies that barely had revenues, much less.
I step on his chest. I said, what do I...
I think someone picked the wrong lane.
Although you may not live through the day, I admire your tenacity.
I don't think he stopped at all.
What do I need?
No wonder why he got cut off. Turn signal might help.
Supposed to deliver its services by Enron Broadband. He invested nearly $20 million in Questia, a Houston company that sold access to online books. He was so excited about Questia that he joined the board and pushed Skilling to invest too.
Okay.
Skilling declined.
Let's see. Nope.
So are you that sad and pathetic? Not knowing your name.
Masshole left.
Sell fewer shares to repay the company. In order to avoid selling Enron stock, Lay got at least one creditor to accept illiquid collateral.
Someone changed their mind.
He began trying to sell his interest.
What do I need an extended warranty for? He said, well, in case the TV breaks.
Well, that guy up
TV's
there.
gonna break, I'm not buying it.
What are you doing on the shoulder? You're a douchebag. Douchebag! He's more important than everyone else, I guess.
Even Dynegy's slogan seemed pedestrian. A leading global energy company respected for the manner in which we deliver extraordinary value to our stakeholders. Like in its new NFL franchise, where Lay was cerebral and measured, Watson was
Exit dive. Yep, exit dive. All the way from the left.
to consider a deal. For years, Enron's high flyer status had lifted all energy company shares. It drug everybody else up. Now,
What the
if
hell was
Enron
that?
failed, they might well drag everybody else down.
Oh, please, give me your sage advice. If you've ever accidentally overbaked a
What?
cake in the future, you can always cut the cake in half horizontally.
Hey, hey!
By the U.S. Department of Justice. In the course of Gravano helping the government, he not only testified at the Gotti trial, but at 12 other trials.
Nope!
Better than sketches. It was quicker, more immediate, and accurate.
Just ran right
It was
through.
a brilliant solution.
Nissan drivers. Nope, you can't cross yet. Whoa, what the frick was that? Are there like 10 invisible cars in front of you? Move up. There you go. Move up. It won't hurt you. I promise.
There's no success elsewhere. There's no we got paid elsewhere. There's no what about those first few years elsewhere.
You can only turn right on red from the right lane, and you didn't stop. No turn on red. Red light run. Straight from right turn lane, douchebag.
$24 per Enron share. 4 months later, he raised his valuation target on the US alone with 30 of luck, Watson said. I'm disappointed too, Labe responded. I'll go on to our other alternative.
Red light runner.
Enron Online.
I have no idea how much stuff like this I've got. He gives things to me instead of throwing them away.
Nope.
That way we use them. He does exactly the same.
Really?
With his death, things would be made right, the assassins believed. April 16th,
Of course, Subaru drivers.
was a cloudy.
Exit dive up there.
When the Genovese family needed someone suddenly dead, Papa often got the job. Cunning and treacherous in the extreme, he personally killed 36 sentinels. This is exactly why Wally's mob bosses, Carlo Galvino,
Man, now you
Jim
overcorrected.
Giganti, and Paul Costamano, the old regime.
Gotta understand it. How can they reach me? I guess they can't. I guess they won't. I guess Hobby Lobby's in the left lane. Yeah. You out of luck, fool. Exit dive. Did a school bus really just exit dive? Wow.
Leave his car alone. Someone else gave me a dirty look, and I couldn't stop myself from saying, if you weren't allowed to do certain things before, then you're not allowed to do them now either.
Pike moved out of Fairfield and sent him to Otisville Prison in upstate New York near Port Jervis. It was a Sunday.
The fuck was that? Let me guess, you're doing that.
First such deal completed in 1991 was called Cactus.
Vessel left by a bus.
It was, at its core, a securitization deal.
Start to look to figure out what is available in scholarships and grants for you.
Whoa, what are you doing?
But scholarships and grants, extra money. So
way to
these
give
are
people heart
options that
attacks.
all aren't
Someone just ran that red light up there. Uh-oh. Someone got off the wrong exit, regret.
And put it in the microwave. I prepared the dogs their bowls and put them out into the garden.
Okay.
The dogs
Toyo
ate in
turd.
silence while I walked.
By using a tracking device,
Oh, what the fuck?
it gave the locale of a newfangled apparatus called a cellular telephone.
That was a turn from left lane. Another red light left turn run. This is the second one today.
I promised him I'd think about it. I phoned my cousin Raffaele, and he told me that he'd received the same invitation. I don't know.
Follow through was it? And when it comes to something like Buy America, it's really all about the details, the details. And I am confident that the direction and the...
Noted Duncan. This thing is still very much in the brainstorming stage.
Did not stop.
Let's move through it very quickly to get all the involvement, and the new partnership was an act of altruism, an unfortunate but necessary ingredient to attract outside investors to LJM, and essential to Enron's goal. And most of them had just made a fortune.
Exit dive by the copper.
Professed out.
Who cares? Let them have. What? Whoa!
Help her get over the death of my father. I unloaded the car and took our bags inside. The furniture we had sent from Farm Road was still wrapped up. Then the silence of the countryside was broken.
Red.
I needed the work. Once I did manage to see something different from the usual toing and froing. The front door of a white house out in the sticks beyond Well End had been left ajar. And I caught a glimpse of nearly a dozen cats, but there isn't enough room for everyone in the house and the lodge, so he's rented the chantry. That's the building
I think I stopped first
before you came through the gate.
Lorraine's death, the day following her passing. His daughter, Jolene, very distraught about the loss of her mother, called the prison to make Anthony aware of what happened.
When I wasn't off taking Kubrick's...
No trucks in the left lane! No, 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 no! He's hauling ass, too.
If Castellano were a true gangster, he would be alive today.
Nope!
Why was the Mafia so successful? The businessmen wanted to be involved with the Mafia. They became richer and fascinated with the Mafia's abilities.
The actors. Even though he was a demanding director, Stanley had no trouble finding actors who wanted to be in his films. Actually, it was the contrary.
An autopsy report revealed yet another lay secret. He had a history of cardiac problems, at least 2 previous heart attacks,
Red light runner,
severe coronary block.
And that we'll never actually meet, but anyway, I'd just like to wish him a happy birthday, since I know that it's today. I called Stanley from the car.
It's red! Jeez! You didn't stop, Rhode Island.
It didn't take long for Casso to hear that Darko had, in fact,
Didn't even stop.
Darko was going to be a hostile.
His proudest accomplishment, the old scythe deal, had become a millstone around the necks of the traders. His affair with Amanda Martin
Didn't
was
even
also a
stop.
cause of iron. It wasn't.
Take that chance. If you want to go...
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you can't be there. It's a patriotic no truck in the left lane. No, no, no. And he's hauling ass up there. This is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like and comment and subscribe, and look at all the past episodes, because there's a lot of them. There's a lot more coming, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you later. Okay, bye.